let's see if I can make sure. Yeah. Okay. I'll do 10 anyway. Let's just do 10. I know this is going to be helpful to everybody at some point or another, so I'm just going to do it. Even to those doing the presentations, if for some reason you get tripped up, you can always come here and you can. So I just scraped off the numbers, right? So you have your total. What's going on here? Oh, okay. Let's move all these over. Okay, so that's fine. All right, so now what we have is the data just as they gave it to us. Super easy to do this now. You just take your your dollars uncollectible, okay, are going to be the amount times the percent, right? And if you just copy that formula all the way across, you're going to get amount, and then you can just equal sum, and you can do the sum of all these. Okay, that's your amount. Pretty easy. And then are they asking you for the entry? Complete the table. Okay, we did that. Prepare the adjusting entry. And assuming. Yeah, okay, so same thing, right? So we come over here, we take this. Actually, let's just take this whole thing. Come back over here. Let's paste this over here. And then I'm going to delete everything that's over here so we can see it. Okay, so same type of deal. We're going to ignore this part, but we're going to make this allowance amount equal this 22,320. So now we can then say, okay, well, we've got a $5,200 credit already there, 5,200. So in A, or actually this is called B, right? Reference B, 1231. We're going to have an amount of 17,120. 17,120. And because it's a credit, right? So it's a proper signage here. If it's a debit, then once again, they did too much in actual bad debt. So we're going to do a minus 1,700, and the actual number is going to be 24,020. 24,020. Okay. So now with that, let's see what do we do. Let's bring that up. Okay. So 22,320. I got the same numbers here. I just did the math here. Looks like you'll have to put in these numbers, but they already have them for you, and you just have to make sure you put in I think these are calculated. Yeah, these are calculated. So all you have to do is put the numbers in correctly, and it'll automatically calculate it for you. But you do need to make sure you understand that it's a credit balance, right? That's what you're targeting. Is on the allowance, it's a contra asset account, so it has a normal credit balance. Okay, and then on B and C, let's go here, and we will see that we got the 17,120 right and the 24,020 right. Okay, this is how you would do the quick calc on that. Okay, that was 10 and 11. Pretty easy. 10. Oh, it was 11. 11 down here. Oh, percent of receivables method. Same thing. Okay, so I'm not going to do this. Somebody else, as part of your presentation, will end up doing this. You have an answer here, but that doesn't mean that you know how to get to it. So same approach, right? But this one is just 4% of the total, right? Very similar to what we've done before. 12.